Hi guys, I'm Migar and now I will take you through my aptitude exam engine. So basically this application is capable to run exams on math, recognizing critical information from given image, spelling, listening and writing. So first user has to register the system. So my ID is 101503759. My name is Migara Kara. My school Swinburne University. And now I'll go to the terms and conditions. So in here you can see all the application license, and I will agree to the terms and conditions and I will register. So here my pin number is 5859. So this pin number is automatically generated and you can see the assignment description. Next, now I have to log into the system. 101503759 is my ID and my pin is 4859. Okay, so this is the main panel of the system. Now I will click on math. So this is the first question of the math test, and you can see the remaining time of this exam category. I will put the answer as 3, submit, and I don't know the answer for that. I put 12, and again I put the answer as 4, submit, and it will give the time that I took to complete the test. So it will freeze the background for 10 seconds. So then we will move to the second exam category. So here I have to select the Microsoft logo from the given image. Okay, and the Japan flag. Okay, here we go. Select the Sri Lanka from the given world map. So it is quite difficult. Yeah. Okay, and again it will give the time and the background will be the good luck image. Okay, now I will move to the spelling test. So in here, if user is not capable to answer the question within 5 seconds, it will give the hint. So here, first three letters, JAM, and I put the answer now, Jamin. Now I can get the half of the marks. And the second question, okay, done. Third question will be good. Submit. Okay. So here also it gives the time I took to complete the spelling test. Now I will move to the listening. So in here I have to play the voice record. According to that, I have to select the keywords.
Rachel used to spend her summer at her grandmother's house in Wendigo. She used to take train to get there.
Okay, so train was in the voice record, Bendigo grandmother, and I can get the extra 2 minutes because my total mark is exceed 10 marks. So if I get the extra 2 minutes, it will reduce 5 marks from my total marks. So here it has increased my remaining time. Submit. Here I will play the second video clip.
Mugara has lost his dog. If you find his dog, please count him on 0416401 His address is 5672 Underground.
Now I will move to the third exam.
Every Saturday, Daniel and his family go to the beach.
Okay, now I will complete the listing test, and it will give the time that I took to complete the assignment, and the background would be uh, frozen. And now I go to the writing, which is the last exam. So this exam category is quite tricky. So in here we can identify the spelling mistakes. I am going. So it will identify the GNG is wrong, and now I have to correct it, and I can get the half of the marks. Going home, but train was late. So in here, the software will identify the keyword but and the comma behind the keyword. According to that, it will recognize this sentence is a compound sentence. Okay, now I have to write a complex sentence. Okay. Going home. Okay. So in here, the after is a complex keyword. So according to that, this application will identify the sentence is a complex sentence. So the now I have wrote the writing simple sentence. Okay. Finally, it will show the time that I took to complete the assignment. Okay, so all the exams are done now. I will complete the test, and my total is 58, and you can see the all the exams marks, and so in here it will give the all the uh, questions and answers. So so listing test, I took the additional 2 minutes, so it will reduce my 5 marks, and in the spelling, I took the hint, so it will give me only half marks. In the writing, I made a mistake, so when I was writing the compound sentence, so now I will only get half of the marks. So totally, I got 58. Next, so in here you can analyze my results. So if I click the pie chart, it will give the all the exam results. Again, I click the bar chart, it will give the my exam results. So here I didn't score any marks for maths. My maths marks was 0, and you can see the other exam marks. So basically that's it. Uh, Thanks for watching.